Just wanted to show you guys something real quick. Something I ordered yesterday. Well, actually, I ordered a couple days ago, got it yesterday. Two things from Audi. To some, this may be arguably one of the best mods that you could do to the car. A while back, Audi stopped giving dipsticks for these cars, the newer platforms. They just do a oil dipstick tube plug that goes in there in place of the dipstick, because everything's all electronic. You read on the MMI. So actually, I'm gonna adjust this there. I actually got two things. I got this line was busted out on both the ends. Really, that was no good. The other thing is this dipstick tube. This is the medium length handle, which is good for S6, S7. Pull her out. There we go. Got new seals on her, so she's a little tough, but goes in perfectly. I do need an oil change, but if I were to wipe this down, it would read right in the middle, so it would actually be pretty good. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go, min and max. It does read fairly accurately. Like I said, this is the medium handle. Gives a nice little room. There's a longer handle version for A8, S8, just because of the positioning for the airbox and stuff like that. But goes in, no problem. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to show you guys.